We carefully put the eggs back where we found them, and then we started our investigation. We found many kinds of eggs in the area. Unfortunately, they were all a little different from the glowing eggs we found.
Butterfly eggs!
Snail eggs!
Moth eggs!
Centipede eggs!
We were so busy searching.
It got dark already. Let's call it a day.
Hey, look!
The eggs are all glowing again!
I guess they only glow at night.
Eggs that only glow at night. Logically, the mother who laid these eggs must glow at night too.
Ah! The thieves are coming back!
I know, those are... Those weren't the thieves!
What if we get caught by the thieves?
Wait, hold on. But those aren't treasure, they're eggs.
You're right! So if they're not treasure, then those aren't thieves!
That's what I was trying to...
Trying to what?
Apparently, the light that we saw was from the tail of a glowing firefly. Females use their glow to attract males. And males flicker their light in response. The glow of love twinkled in the dark night.
Ah, so they weren't thieves, but glowing fireflies.
Then the shiny glowing eggs belong to...
That's right. I'm sure they belong to a firefly. After mating, the firefly lays eggs. The eggs don't glow at first, but after some time, larvae start to grow inside the eggs. And the eggs begin to shine and glow. The mystery is solved!